Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps that we'll start taking to achieve this final image right here of the hamster crossing Times Square in New York City during the coronavirus quarantine. So we'll start with a simple step, and that is finding the images and pulling them into Photoshop. The first thing you want to do is create a new file, File, New, and click on the size that you'd like. I'm going with 7 by 5 at 300 ppi. That's a good starting point. And click Create. Then go over to Google. I've already searched for the ball image, typed in ball in images, and really important, clicked on Tools and Large Size. So I only see large image sizes. And then you go down to the image you'd like and you click on it. So originally it's going to look like this. And then click on the image, and you'll see the image larger on the right-hand side of your page. Now, it's really important that you click on the image and see the larger version of the image. This is the image that you want to copy, not the little icon. These little icons are really low quality. They're not the full-size image. So make sure to right-click on the full-size image on the right-hand side of your page. And again, you're going to right-click with your mouse or your keypad or your mouse pad. And you'll scroll down to Copy Image in the menu that pops up. Click on Copy Image, go back to Photoshop, and you can go to Edit, Paste. The shortcut is Command V, and you can just hit that on your keyboard, which I'm going to do. And then it pastes the image into Photoshop. So let's go back here, and I've already searched for hamster running cartoon because I want it to be a drawing, not a real hamster. That's just the style that I'm going for. And there's the one that I want, and again, I'm going to click on it. Of course, having selected large images at the top under Tools, right-click, copy, and paste. I now have two images. And I'll pull in the Times Square image as well, and then we'll get started on the next video. See you there.